Well, this great initiative by Diaspora of Malappuram, Indian Business Professional Council, and Baker Tilly is certainly gonna pave the way ahead of us navigating the business success here in Qatar. Now, without any further ado, it gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage a great leader who has been instrumental in bringing this and materializing this event for us. I'm talking about the Chief Coordinating Officer of Rise Above 2025 and the Chief Advisor of Diaspora of Malappuram, Mr. Mashood VC. Could you please help me welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. The floor is yours.
Great communities are built by those who dare to rise above challenges and great opportunities for others. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of India, respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, entrepreneurs, and dear friends. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. It's truly an honor to stand before you today at RISE 2025, Navigating Business Success in Qatar, a remarkable and unique initiative that reflects the strength, vision, unity of the Indian business diaspora in Qatar. On behalf of the organizers, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for being part of this significant gathering. The Diaspora of Malappuram, DOM Qatar, in collaboration with the Indian Business Professional Council, IBPC, and under the esteemed aegis of the Embassy of India to Qatar, has put together this platform to inspire, empower, and elevate our community. We are also grateful to Baker Tilly Qatar, especially Mr. Rajesh Menon, Managing Partner, for powering this event, making it possible for us to bring together thought leaders, challenge makers, and professionals who are committed to making a difference. I wish to appreciate Mr. Rajesh Menon. He is the only Indian national to have been appointed as an independent board member and audit committee chairman for 2 publicly listed companies on the Qatar Stock Exchange. We are proud to mention that he is from Malappuram and patron of Diaspora of Malappuram. The Diaspora of Malappuram, DOM Qatar, is more than just an organization. It's a thriving community that actively contributes to cultural, sports, social, and humanitarian initiatives. One of its most remarkable achievements was the Kickoff 2022 campaign, a year-long initiative in Qatar and India that played a vital role in supporting FIFA World Cup 2022, showcasing the spirit and unity of our diaspora. As we celebrate the theme of Rise Above, I would like to take a moment to remember a visionary entrepreneur, K. Muhammad Isa, who recently passed away. He was a shining example of resilience, starting his journey through immense challenges and transforming them into opportunities to many. His legacy of perseverance and generosity continues to inspire us all. May his soul rest in peace, eternal peace. The theme of Rise Above is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action. It reminds us to rise above challenges, embrace opportunities, and contribute meaningfully to society. It's about innovation, resilience, and leadership qualities that define us as a community. Today, as we engage in insightful discussions, share experiences, and build new connections, let's reaffirm our commitment to excellence, and collaboration. Together, we can create pathways for growth, not just for ourselves, but for our future generations. Once again, I extend warmest welcome to all of you. Let us make Rise Above 2025 a milestone event that sparks new ideas and strengthens our collective vision for future. Thank you.